Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Koala Kid from 99 Nights in the Forest. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off near the top and let's draw a large oval. Then at the bottom, let's curve it out on each side. And then let's draw a large curve up and back down to form the shape of the hat. Now let's draw two ovals inside the hat for the koala's eyes. And then a circle inside at the top. And color the rest of the eyes in black. Now top on top, and let's draw two curves up and out like this. And then bring it back in with a bumpy line. And then let's add another curve inside each ear at the top. And that's it for the ears. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw a curve down on each side. And another curve next to it. And then add a circle at the bottom of each one. And that's it for the hat. Now let's move in and let's draw the face. Let's start in between and let's draw a curve across. Now top in and let's draw a bumpy line across the top for the hair. Now let's add two small ovals for the eyes. And color these both in black. And then a curve underneath for the mouth. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop out and draw the body. On each side, let's draw a line out for the shoulders. Then let's bring it down. And close it off at the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's draw the top of the shirt. At the top, let's draw the bow by drawing a curve out and back in, and the same next to it on the right side. Now underneath, let's draw two angles down on the left and on the right. And a curve to close it off. Now on each side of the bow, let's draw a curve out and up for the top of the shirt. Now that we're done the torso, let's hop out and draw the arms. From the shoulders, let's draw a line out on each side. Then let's bring it down. And back in at the bottom. And then inside each arm, let's draw a line across near the bottom here. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. We'll start with 2 long lines down. And close it off across the bottom. Now top and side, and let's draw a line down in the center. And then inside the legs, let's draw a line across near the top. And that's it for the shape of the legs. Now let's hop in at the bottom and draw the slippers. Let's draw a curve up and back down inside each leg. Now on top, let's draw 2 bumps for the ears. And color these in black. Now top and side, and let's draw a small black triangle at the bottom. And then 2 ovals for the eyes. And then a circle inside each one at the top. And now let's color the rest of the eyes in black. And that's it for the Koala Kid. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!